Hi there. You know, squatting increases longevity, so we want to keep doing that. Let's say you're new to squatting. Here we go. Let's try this together. We're going to stand tall, shift your weight into the back of your heels, and then squat down. Keep your chest lifted here, and squat down. Now let's say your knees are a little tight. Even if your knees aren't tight, I invite you to try this with me. Even the squattiest squatters benefit from this one. We're going to take a forearm in the pit of the knee and do a little knee stretch. So we're going to squeeze tightly onto that forearm and release. Squeeze tightly, release. So the squeeze part's the most important part. So you want to squeeze nice and tight. And usually I do about 7 or 8 of these on each side. And let's switch. And then try your squat again. Look how that opened up the knee. That open knee really is something, isn't it? As you lift up, press down through the heels and use those thighs. Lift the thigh bones up into the hip sockets. Let's try that one more time with that little cue. Shift your weight to the heels. Keep your chest lifted. Pull your thighs up towards your hip sockets. So it engages your thigh muscles a little bit more. All right, let's try getting up out of this. Reach your thigh bones up into your hip sockets. Good.